Hello. Today we're going to talk about the truth about decluttering. You know, people like to cushion decluttering in lots of different ways. They make it a game. You have a special challenge. You try to make it fun. You know what? The truth is, it's not fun and it's not a game. It's real work. Just like when you go to an office and you do real work, you don't have to cushion it in a game. You just know that it's real work and it's worth something. It's worth something. It's not entertainment, it's worth something. So change the way you've been thinking about decluttering. Make it worth something. Declutter for 15 minutes 4 times a week. You are going to see a huge difference in your home and your lifestyle and in the attitude in your home, the attitude of peace. Remember that decluttering gives you 3 things. It gives you peace in your life, control in your home, and you finally learn to love yourself. Have a great day.